Hey Wealth Builders, welcome back to WealthSync, where your money works harder than you do. Everyone's talking about the latest stock tip, the hottest crypto, or the next big real estate deal. But here's the shocking truth. The one investment you absolutely must make before any stock isn't what you think. And if you skip it, you're setting yourself up for a financial disaster.
So many young investors are diving headfirst into the market, dreaming of overnight riches. But without a solid financial foundation, it's like trying to build a mansion on quicksand. Sure, it might look impressive for a moment, but it's bound to come crashing down. Ready for the big reveal? The number one investment is you. That's right, before you even think about touching the stock market.
You need to invest in your own financial health and knowledge. Here's how to do it. First, build that emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of living expenses tucked away. It's your financial safety net. Next, tackle that high-interest debt. Paying it off is like getting a guaranteed return on your money. Then, immerse yourself in financial literacy. Devour books, binge on podcasts, take courses, and yes, even watch YouTube videos about money management. Finally, invest in your skills. Remember, skills create income, and income is what fuels your investments. Let's put this into perspective. A good stock might give you an 8% annual return. But paying off a credit card with 20% interest? That's like earning a 20% return risk-free. And upgrading your skills? That could potentially double your income. Show me a stock that can do that overnight. Think about it. The greatest investment isn't sitting on Wall Street. It's staring back at you in the mirror. When your financial foundation is rock solid, every investment you make becomes exponentially more powerful. It's like giving yourself a head start in the race to financial freedom. So, before you rush to buy that hot stock tip your friend told you about, take a step back. Invest in yourself first. Build that emergency fund. Crush that debt. Boost your financial IQ. Level up your skills. These are the investments that will pay dividends for the rest of your life. Want more eye-opening money moves like this? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and share this video with a friend who's itching to jump into the stock market. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Remember, the best investment is always you. Now go out there and start building your financial empire from the ground up.